Alright guys, just thought I'd do an update on the beach because there's been a few people asking. Um, just up front there is Vela Beach, just to get a bit of bearing. You can find them on Google Maps if you're not sure. And we're just going to walk along the boardwalk here. As you can see, with all the tyre tracks, they've obviously been adding some fresh sand and bringing a bit of normality back. Along the edge here, where you can see all this rust damage, is actually where the railings began to collapse and fall apart before the storms. It was already an issue. There'd been a few protests about it actually. So hopefully they're going to put some back up soon that basically won't rust. I'll just take a walk along the beach here. Sorry, my camera's a little bit bumpy today. I haven't got my gimbal with me. If you're looking for somewhere reasonable to stay budget-wise, this Alba hostel on the left's pretty good. They've got a restaurant, but also there's other restaurants just on the front here as well, and it doesn't get much closer to the beach. Some nice looking apartments there, aren't there? Nice little houses. New. Valdez restaurant's quite nice. We've literally just finished breakfast there. I think it's been open since 1982. Flag poles are looking a bit tired. Something like a paint wouldn't fix. Cool. They said the temperature was -1. I think it was incorrect for that. This is a restaurant that I still think's closed, which is restaurant Euromar. It's a pity because it's a prime location. Not sure why it's not open. Let's have a look here. Some damage. Yeah. That's a nice restaurant as well, La Flores. But as you can see, things are in recovery mode. You see the difference in sand height there, which shows you how much sand's actually missing at the moment. But it is getting there. I'll leave it there because So we walked this other bit of beach a week or so ago. Thanks for watching.